Yahuwah is my light and my deliverance. Whom should I fear? Yahuwah is the refuge of my life. Whom should I dread? When the evildoers come against me to eat up my flesh, my adversaries and my enemies, they shall stumble and fall. Though an army encamps against me, my heart does not fear. Though battle comes up against me, even though I would be trusting, when I asked of you, this I seek, to dwell in the house of Yahuwah the days of my life, to see the pleasantness of Yahuwah and to inquire in his heckle. For in the day of evil he hides me in his booth. In the covering of his tent he hides me. On a rock he raises me up, and now my head is lifted up above my enemies all around me. And I offer in his tent with offerings of shouts. I sing praises to Yahuwah. Hear, O Yahuwah, when I cry with my voice, and show me favor and answer me. To my heart you have said, seek my face, your face, Yahuwah, I seek. Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in displeasure. You have been my help. Do not leave me nor forsake me. O Elohim of my deliverance. When my father and my mother have forsaken me, then Yahuwah takes me in. Teach me your way, O Yahuwah, and lead me in a smooth path because of my enemies. Do not give me over to the desire of my adversaries, for false witnesses have risen against me, and they breathe out violence to me. What if I had not believed to see the goodness of Yahuwah in the land of the living? Wait on Yahuwah, be strong, and let him be strengthen your heart. Wait, I say, on Yahuwah.